Good morning, students. In the last class, you have learned about modal verbs must, ought, and dare. In this class, we are going to learn about the uses of the modal auxiliary verb need. Modal auxiliary verb need. Need as a modal auxiliary verb means be obliged, be necessary. Be obliged and be necessary. It is also used as negative needs. Need, the modal auxiliary verb need, also used in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Need, modal auxiliary verb need is used as in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. Negatives and interrogative sentences are followed by without to infinitive. Negatives and interrogatives are followed by without to infinitive. It doesn't take s, modal verb, as modal auxiliary verb. It can be used as finite verb also. Dare also used as both the modal auxiliary verb and finite verb. Here need also used as modal auxiliary verb and finite verb. As a modal auxiliary verb, it doesn't take s in the simple present tense. Singular, third person singular. It doesn't take s, third person singular in present tense. It can be also used with do or did. It can be also used with need, also be used with do and did, and they are followed by to infinitive. See, for example, need I tell him to go? Need I tell him to go? That means it is necessary for me to tell him to go. It is necessary for me to tell me to go. It is necessary for me to tell him to go. Need I tell him to go? It is necessary for me to tell him to go. That means the meaning of this question. Interrogative sentences. I told you in the uses, it can be need is also be used in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. It is interrogative sentences. By using modal auxiliary verb need, I frame interrogative sentence. Need I tell him to go? That means it is necessary for me to tell him to go. He need not go. He need not go. As a finite verb, it takes yes. He needs, but it doesn't take yes. As a modal auxiliary verb, need doesn't take s if the subject is third person singular in the present tense. As a modal auxiliary verb, it is used as a finite verb. It takes s. Here, modal auxiliary verb. I have written examples. Modal need as a modal auxiliary verb. He need not go. That means it is necessary. Sorry, it is not necessary for him to go. It is not necessary for him to go. He need not go. That means it is not necessary for him to go. Need I tell him to go? It is necessary for me to tell him to go. I need hardly tell you. I need hardly tell you. That means you must already know. You must already know. I need hardly tell you. That means you must already know. Does he need to go so soon? Does he need to go so soon? That means, is it necessary for him to go so soon? Is it necessary for him to go so soon? Does he need to go so soon? These are the ways framing interrogative sentences and negative sentences. We use generally modal auxiliary verb need. Need is also used as a finite verb. As a finite verb means want or require. As modal auxiliary verb means be obliged and be necessary. As a finite verb, need means here want or require. And it is limited by number and person of a subject. That means third person singular, we use s or es. Does he need any help? That means here need means require. Does he require any help? Does he need any help? He didn't need to be reminded. Need here required. As a finite verb, need means want, require. Modal auxiliary verb need can be used in two ways. As a modal auxiliary verb, as a finite verb. Modal auxiliary verb, that means be obliged and be necessary. As a finite verb means want or require. As a modal auxiliary verb can be used in negative sentences and interrogative sentences. It is not followed by to infinitive, and it doesn't take s or es in the third person singular in simple present tense. It can be also used with do or did. Here examples: need I tell him to go? He need not go. I need hardly tell you. Does he need to go so soon? And finite verb means want or require. It takes s or es if the subject is third person singular. Does he need any help? Does he require any help? He did not need to be reminded. He did not require to be reminded. This is the usage of need modal auxiliary verb need. Students, tomorrow we shall meet again in the next class with another modal auxiliary verb used to. In the next class I explain about the uses of used to. Thank you, students.